Hi Pita Chips, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys all the presents that I got for my birthday party. It was on Saturday. I thought it'd be really fun if I showed you guys really quickly what I received. Now there are not a lot of presents because I do come from a Hispanic family. Maybe you can relate. For the parties, we usually have like this tradition where you grab a safety pin and everyone just puts a whole bunch of money on your shirt. So basically I got more money than presents, and with that money I'm going to use it so we can go on a shopping spree probably next week or the week after that. I want to go shopping, buy myself some new clothes, and I'll take you guys along with me. But I did want to show you guys the presents that I did get, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Also, thank you so much if you wished me a happy birthday and if you attended my party. It meant so much. I had so much fun. I would have not had my 21st birthday any other way. So the first thing I got is this cosmetic bag to put all of my makeup in here. So pretty. I really like it. As you guys know, all of my makeup, I carry it in like a black bag that I carry like everywhere. It's like my to-go bag. So it's really nice that I got one that's very stylish, very pretty, and very tropical. I really like the design. I got this one. Next present right here is some pajamas that my cousin gave me. They are gray and they look super soft. It's like a really great material. I think it's like all cotton. It's this one, and then it comes with the shorts. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna sleep so good right now, especially that summer is coming up and it gets like really hot in the room. It feels like really good material and really refreshing. Then my sister gave me a pink shirt too, and she gave me this pretty like light pink shirt, and it comes with the little logo here of the pink and then the mesh material here on the side. And she got me the little Matte Fix Mist Spray. These are 3 of them. I actually had never seen this. This is a snowball kit. Really pretty. So I got 3 mini ones. I recently just got the original one at the Ulta 21-day sale. So when I saw the 3 mini ones, I was so happy. So thank you to my sister for giving me this right here. I absolutely love it, and I know I'm gonna put it to use. My cousin got me this shirt, really pretty floral shirt. Let's see if I can try to fix it. It goes a little something like this. I really liked it with some wedges and some jeans. It's gonna look super pretty, especially right now for like summer's coming up or for like a date night with a red lipstick. It's gonna look so bomb. This one, my cousin's mom actually gave it to me, and look what she got me. She got me the earrings that I wanted at Forever 21. Do you guys remember that I was telling you guys that I wanted them? So she sees my videos and she got me the earrings, and I was so happy, and I cannot wait to wear them with like my hair down when I go on a date night. I'm so excited. She also got me a couple other things. She got me this really pretty coffee mug that says Hola Bonita, which says hi pretty, with little bird. I loved it so much. And she also got me this little ring holder or jewelry holder that's a little cactus. Is that not the cutest thing ever? I really liked it. I loved it as well. So that's what she got me. And then on this bag, it's actually I think now empty, but my brother got me a whole bunch of chocolates, Ferrero chocolates, which are here, and he put $60 in here. So he basically just digged the money in here. At first I was like, did I just get Ferrero chocolates? But as I kept digging in, more money kept coming out. So I did get $60 on this one for my brother. And then this is the last present that I got, this blue bag right here. This is a really pretty dress. I don't even know who got me this one, but whoever did a really good job. It's this yellow mustard dress. I don't have anything in my closet this color, and right now for spring it's gonna be super cute. It looks like a really refreshing material as well. And they got me these cute little sandals, which I cannot wait to wear. Look, how cute is this gonna look with the dress? So whoever made this little outfit is so cute, and they did an amazing job. But these are all the presents that I got. I am extremely blessed, and I love every single item that I got, and I'm definitely gonna put everything to use. But like I said, a majority of the gifts that I got was money, so I did collect a pretty decent amount. And like I said, I'm so excited to go shopping with that money. And now I want to go to Dollar Tree, because if you guys don't know, if you guys haven't seen it, I uploaded a beauty mystery box unboxing from Wish, and I asked you guys personally, do you think I got scammed? And I think about probably 80% of you guys were telling me that all of the items that I had received were from the Dollar Tree, and I couldn't believe it. So today I want to go check it out with my own eyes and see if it's true. So we're gonna go discover if all the items that I got in that box were really from the Dollar Tree. So let's go find out. All right guys, we just got here to the Dollar Tree and I really want to know if I really did get scammed, because like I'm telling you guys, all of you guys commented, Pita, all of the products that you got are from the dollar store. So I'm here to see if it's really true. So we're gonna go investigate and see if it's true or not. Okay guys, so looking around, I don't see the toothbrush that I got. So, but I do see a couple of things that I did get. For example, the Wet n Wild brush, it's right here. It's the small eyeshadow brush. So they did give me this one. So here's one of the items. And then also right here, the LA Colors lip liner. Except I don't see an all natural. I just see Twirl and Classic. Oh no, it's back here. All natural. It's this one. And then, oh hell no, the cosmetic wedges. And then the blotting sheets. And then the Sculpt and Glow. Oh hell no, I got scammed. What else did they get me? Do you remember all this, Jason, they got me?
I don't remember, but you got scammed for sure. You literally got scammed.
Oh my god. What about the lip balm? Do you see it? No, right? I don't see the lip balm. But literally, everything they got me is from here. I can't believe it. You guys were so right. I literally got scammed. I feel so dumb. No friggin' way. Oh my god, I'm done. I'm done. Let's go. Let's leave. And then look what else I found. The Blamtastic Skins lip balm that they sent me. Oh my god. Literally, though, I think the only thing that I haven't found here is the toothbrush. And I think that's it. Everything else, I think we found it. I can't believe it.
So how do you feel that you got scammed?
Honestly, I mean, I really can't be mad, because if you look at it from their point of view, so if everything was from the dollar store, they wasted like what, $12, right? Like $12, and then they had to buy a box, they had to pay for the shipping. So for them, their business, they did it kind of smart. But from the buyer's point of view, I definitely got scammed, because I didn't want to believe it. I was like, okay, maybe they're kind of like joking around that everything's from the dollar, but literally everything was from the dollar. The only thing I didn't see was the LA Colors palette, but that was literally about it. Everything else, I found it. Like, honestly, low-key, I'm kind of mad, because I feel like I got scammed, but at least it was like semi-good products, you know?
That's the risk you take when you order mystery boxes.
Yeah, and especially from Wish. It's kind of like the same thing as ordering from eBay, huh? You just kind of have to take a risk, but at least it was fun doing the unboxing. Okay guys, since we're out of the Dollar Tree, I'm actually heading towards Ulta, because my mother-in-law, I was telling her how good the Morphe sponge was, and she really wanted one. And so while she's getting her massage, she told me to go to Ulta real quickly and get her one, and I'm gonna go. Plus, I can never say no to going to Ulta, because I want to check out if they have anything new at the store, and if they do, obviously, duh, I have to show you guys. So we're gonna go to Ulta now. Yay, we're now at Ulta. I'm gonna get the Morphe sponge, and if I find any new items, I would definitely show you guys what's new at Ulta. Alright guys, it looks like this is like a new collection that they have going on. They have the Strictly Vinyl lip glosses for $7.99. They're new, and Sugar Mama, Baby Doll, Rebel, Bombshell, Bad Girl, and Bad Seed. And then these eyeliners, they come in different colors as well. An Extra Hazy Aliens Crone for $7.99. And then these vinyl eyeliners, these right here, oh, these are eyeglosses. No way, these are eyeglasses for $9.49, and the eyeliners are $6.99. Also $6.99. And they have the brow pencils, and I think these are glitters that they already had, but this one looks really pretty. It's like a blue color. It's called Dark Side. And then some cream lippies, but all of these colors are new to the collection. Oh my god, I literally went to check if they had the Morphe sponge, and they didn't, and look where I found it. I thought someone misplaced it where all of the beauty blenders, well, not beauty blenders, but where all of these are at, and I found it. Oh my god, they literally ran out of these. I think all of you guys came to buy them. But there's like none no more. It was only this one, and it was misplaced. Yes, looks like it was my mother-in-law's luck. It was meant to be for her. Oh my god, I don't know what this is, but I am living for this. Festival Face Kit. Look at this glitter gel. Oh my god, I don't think you guys can like see how beautiful these are. $9.99. Oh my god, I should have made like a Coachella look. This is so cute. I'm looking through the clearance section, because I always like to come check out the clearance section right here. If I can focus. Hello, there we go. I found these vegan eyelashes for $7, and they also have, where are they? Oh, these blue ones, which are $8. but I want to go compare them to see how much originally they are. And they have an Urban Decay lip pencil for 10, glitter primers, and then they have a whole bunch of other makeup here, and they have a whole bunch of just clearance like hair products, and then also lotions for $9. But I want to go see how much these are originally. Okay, so it's $6.99, but originally they're $7.99, so that means I only took $1 off. So I mean, it's not that good of a deal, so I'm gonna leave these. I don't know if I had never seen these, but look at this. These are lip glosses. Oh my goodness. Wait, let's test this one. This one is, oh, they don't have a name. Oh, this one's Gold Mine, and this one that I'm gonna swatch is Dirty Talk. And they smell like mint. Oh my god. These are so gorgeous. And look, I also found these, which I hadn't seen, or maybe I'm just like super late to these. Oh, those are pretty. These are the Vice ones, because I've seen these, but I had not seen these. But these lip glosses, look at that. That is so dope. I like this one. I'm gonna try Dirty Talk on the lips. Ooh, that might have been a little too much. That's so pretty. Imagine the gold one. And it feels so minty on the lips. Oh my god, that sparkle is so pretty. I'm in love. Oh my god. Okay, this is new. This is a Cali Contour Palette for $39. And it looks like it comes with different shades. It's definitely just to contour and glow. Look how pretty that is. Oh, that's gorgeous. For $39. This is definitely new. I didn't see it last time. Oh, and then the Nicole Concealio Prime Waters. And So Chili Coconut, Serene Greens, and Centering Citrus. And then look, Superwoman. And this is the new mascara. Oh yeah, it is new mascara and an eyeliner. Nice, it looks so pretty. Look, oh, it's this one. No, baby, she's not. Jason pointed at me with the lipstick. She's promoting the mascara, this one. Look how good her lashes look. And then also the eyeliner, that one right there. These are new also, the Liquid Matte Magic by Smashbox. Look, the metallic matte finish. Oh my god, look how pretty. And then this one is also one of the metallic ones. Super pretty. These are 24 and they're new 8-hour wear. Look how different shades they have. These are like, even the new ones are new, the nude, and then the bold mattes. This collection is so pretty. Okay, how does the lip gloss look in the sun? Does it look good?
It looks pretty good.
Right? Imagine the gold one on the lips with like a nude lipstick in the bottom. That would look so pretty. This one, the Dirty Talk, it was literally, they only had one left in stock. So I think it's really pretty. It is $20. If you guys like how it looks, definitely come check out Ulta and buy one, because they feel so good. They also feel like very minty. Okay, now I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx. I'll tell you guys at the end of the video why I'm going, but if I find a really good deal, I will definitely show you guys. All right, we just got here to TJ Maxx. Hopefully I find what I'm looking for, but like I said, at the end of the video, I will tell you guys why I'm here. All right, so no luck what I was looking for, and also no luck in finding anything new. Literally everything is the same. I don't remember if this was a TJ Maxx where I found the car. I think it was, but other than that, this TJ Maxx has been letting me down so much. It looks like they don't have any new products, but kind of disappointed that I didn't find what I was looking for, nor anything new, but oh well, that's how it is sometimes. All right, so I think this trip was kind of good and kind of bad. Bad because I realized that everything that I got sent was literally from the Dollar Tree or the dollar store, wherever they got it from. So it's kind of disappointing because I just realized that I did get scammed. I'm wondering if I should do like my own mystery box that I sell, but at good products, high-end products. So maybe I can sell a box for like $15 and put high-end goodies inside, and it's gonna be a mystery what you get. Also, a lot of you guys always ask me if you guys can send me money and I can buy something for you guys and then ship it out. But since I've been using Poshmark a lot lately, I was thinking, what if every single time I find a really good deal, I post it on Poshmark and you guys buy it from there? Wouldn't that be amazing? Because I also feel like I would help you guys out, since I do get a lot of comments saying that your local TJ Maxx and Marshalls doesn't have any high-end makeup. So that way you guys can get some of the goodies through me on Poshmark, and I can also make a mystery box. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comment section. Everyone comment if you guys are interested in me making like a mystery beauty box, but with good makeup, with good high-end makeup. And also if you guys would like me to start posting like the Steals and Deals makeup on Poshmark. But really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys so much. And if you're new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe so you can be part of the Pita Chef family. And don't forget to hit that little bell so I can notify you every single time I upload a new video. And I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys! Make sure you're subscribed so you can watch all of my videos, and if you want to keep on watching more and more videos, make sure to check out yesterday's video. You are not going to want to miss it. It's amazing. Also, if you want to get to know me a little bit better, make sure to subscribe to that vlogging channel right there. And if you can't get enough of me, here is my Spanish channel so you can go ahead and subscribe. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.